Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our health spreads for the next week in January, and I've got some washi tape here that I plan to use, as well as these sticker books which I pulled stickers from. And this week I kind of did a wax paper layout, but in the end I just started throwing stickers down, so it's not a complete layout yet. But to start, I'm going to go ahead and put in my sidebar. This sticker I'm laying down right here is actually a combination of 3 stickers. There is a floral header with a banner and then a goal sticker on top of it, which the last 2 I grabbed out of the journaling accessory pack, the little sticker book you're seeing on the top there. And now I'm laying in the habit trackers I've been using this month. All 3 from that same little journaling accessory pack, and I'm trying to lay them in so nobody's covered up. Just finagling here. There we go, and I cut that me time one in half in order to kind of fit it in that space. And then I've got a quote here, really cute. I don't need an inspirational quote, I need coffee. I thought that was cute and appropriate for this spread. How I feel most mornings. So I've got those pretty much laid in, and I'm going to go ahead and get started on my food log. These gold bars I actually got out of the newest fitness sticker book. I wasn't going to use them, but then I realized I probably won't have too many opportunities to put in gold into my spreads design-wise for health, because I don't normally use gold in my health spreads. So thought this was an opportunity to use them since there's a whole page of them. So I'm going to go ahead and lay these guys in. And next I grabbed some color boxes from the Homebody mini sticker book. And I really love the kind of muted palette of colors that they had in there. I looked at the ones that were actually in the full-size classic Homebody sticker book, and those ones are just a little bit too big, so I'm going to use the mini and trim them down to fit within these boxes. And that's where I'll put my stats this week. I have, which you'll see me lay in later, some mini stat stickers from the previous Healthy Hero sticker book that I'm going to be using, but I only have 6 of them, so the very last one, I don't do this on camera, but I will be writing it in by hand just to kind of match. And I'm going to do that on my rest day, since it's the day that I usually don't do as much. And just kind of helps it stick out from the rest, Saturday being different from the other one, since it is my normal rest day, or outside of my normal routine. So I'm laying these in and just trimming them out, and I'm doing a pastel kind of rainbow, if you will, all the way across. And you'll see that at the top as well I have pulled stickers in the same color scheme. So they'll all coordinate, and each day will kind of be thematically colored. For now, I'm going to go ahead and lay in this washi tape. It is also from the Homebody collection that came out recently. I really love watercolor, and so this one was one of my favorites from that pack. I think you get like 5 or 6 of them. I have been waiting for a chance to really use it, so this is going to work out perfect. Laid that in, and now I'm going to go ahead and lay in some color coordinated stickers there at the top that say the routine. That's just going to kind of denote where my workouts are going to be living here on the spread. I'll denote what I did each day as far as a workout, and sometimes I do multiple workouts in the same day. I'll keep track of that, and then next to it I'll put in how many calories I burned during that workout, as well as the amount of time I spent doing that workout. So I put a big quote sticker there on my rest day. just to kind of fill the space and tie into the theme. And now I'm laying in these color coordinated arrows, which I think also came from the mini sticker book, and am using those to denote my workouts. So I'm just setting it up for my normal routine, which days I do 2 and some days I do 1. So I'm just kind of laying that out there that they all are ready to go for when the week comes. Okay, so that's all laid in and I'm liking how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and put in my goals section. I'm going to put in some quotes just to kind of keep me loving the spread, looking at it more. This quote says, "Get a little better every day." And then I'm going to add some florals from that same Homebody sticker book. The florals I'm using are from the mini, and they have a little bit of a gold touch just to kind of help tie everything together. So I did try to use gold where it was available as an accent in those books to keep everything feeling cohesive. And then one more large sticker here, "Happy Day," with some florals in there as well. And that is the focus section. So now I'm going to go ahead and lay in those stat stickers I mentioned before. I'm trimming out the line next to the stat list text because they're all different colors and they don't quite match up to the colors I have on the spread. So I'm just trimming them out to keep it all one color black throughout. And as I mentioned before, I'll be writing in the one on Saturday, my rest day, because I didn't have enough of this exact type of sticker to work. And then once they're in, you guys, I think we'll be done. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.